to the party leaders who they described as a beacon of peace, embodiment of truth, champion of democracy, a love of human dignity, a champion of women and youth empowerment, a selfless leader, and the father of devolution. In his death, ODM, the whole nation, have lost. Kenya, Africa, and the whole world are mourning. We mourn the passing on of a towering giant who spent of all his youth and early life fighting for the rights of the people, hence freedom we all enjoy today. The NEC calls on all our members, supporters, and general public to mourn the passing on of this great son. As outlined by the funeral organizing committee, which is chaired by the Deputy President, His Excellency Professor Kithure Kindiki, and co-chaired by Dr. Oburu Odinga, the party is aligned with arrangements which are in accordance with the party leader's wish that when he dies, he should be laid to rest within 72 hours of his death. We shall strictly observe the program to the later until the day of his burial on Sunday, 19th October 2025. Allow him to finish part of that statement.
Having said that, the party wishes to make the following announcement to our members in Nairobi and across the country. The party has